If you want to change your Chrome background and give your browser a fresh new look, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. It's quick, easy, and you can choose from preset themes, solid colors, or even upload your own photo to make Chrome feel more personal. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click on a new tab. This is where Chrome gives you access to the built-in customization options. On the new tab page, look to the bottom right corner and click Customize Chrome. In some versions of Chrome, you may see a pencil icon instead. Either one will open the same customization menu. Once the side panel appears, click Change Theme. This is where you can explore all the different background options available for your browser. Now you have a few different choices. If you want something ready-made, you can select a preset category like landscapes or textures. Chrome will show you a variety of backgrounds in that style, and you can click the one you like best. If you want something more personal, click Upload from Device. This lets you choose a photo from your computer and use it as your Chrome background. That's a great option if you want to use a favorite picture, a wallpaper, or even a branded image. You can also choose a solid color if you want a cleaner, simpler look. Solid colors are perfect if you want your new tab page to feel minimal and easy on the eyes. After you pick the background or theme you want, take a moment to make sure it looks right. Then click Done to save your new background. And that's it. Your Chrome background has now been changed successfully. You can come back anytime and switch it again if you want a different style later. So whether you prefer a preset theme, your own photo, or just a simple color, Chrome makes it very easy to customize. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.